Although the world's second largest partner, Elon Musk has a net worth of $166 billion, he doesn't want to own any assets, and so he focuses on making the Earth greener. Tesla and transfer humans to Mars, SpaceX, and other missions. He is not joking. Billionaire recently stated that he has sold all his luxury homes in California except for a mobile home in the Bay Area. Earlier this month, Musk said on Twitter that his main residence is a small rental house in Texas, near SpaceX development and testing ground. The Houston Chronicle revealed in a report on Monday what the interior of Musk's humble house looks like. It's actually a Boxble mass-produced 20-foot by 20-foot foldable prefab. The house is made by Boxable, a startup company that makes modular instant houses, which price is $50,000. The Chronicle reported that according to reports, Musk's modular apartment is like a studio apartment. A large room is divided into a living room and bedroom, a fully equipped kitchen, and a shower room with a bathtub and shower head. Our company is a supporting solution for the design, sales, and installation of light-developed houses, including steel container houses, large steel plants, prefab houses, and intelligent breathing systems. Our group was established in 2001, focusing on manufacturers and design institutes. Our builders and residents provide integrated housing solutions. The factory scale is more than 48,000 square meters. High-quality production and professional on-site processing services. Our customers come from France, Australia, and other parts of the world, the United States, the Wolf, Singapore, etc. So choose us. You can definitely rest assured, worry-free, and rest assured. This is the most popular expandable modular house we designed. Let's see it.
This is our hot sale product expandable house with 40 feet size and this 20 feet size. The interior of the house, bathroom. Today actually we are the main point is the customized service to introduce you guys. So let's see. Okay, this is a page in our website. You can find it. Okay, let's to show you how to use this function. First, this is our expandable house of the base style. You can see it's a white. Okay, let's now to change the frame color. Okay, you can see it's red now. To change it, another black, red, and gray, and white. So you can see you can choose different color of the frame to get the house you want. And next we can choose the wallboard. It's red, black, gray, white, and you can choose the exterior of the exterior wall. So you can see it's a metal curved exterior decoration. So in this way you can choose the exclusive house in your own idea. So welcome to follow us and to find this function, then you can get the house you want. Okay, yeah, it can add the roof too. This is our standard style of the house. And now you can see the bathroom, the toilet, and this is the bedroom, the living room, and this is our cabinet. And most important, the house is the 95% prefabricated. This is the main point today. And now you can see the different product in your phone. You can choose the house you want. Now I will to show you the expandable house. What is the expandable house and different size?
See, you can own a modular house which is only use half price that Musk paid. Just comment down, our staff will contact you.